biz Allah'ın kuluyuz.
Evet, mutlu.
112, 112.
A major earthquake struck Turkey and Syria on Monday, flattening thousands of buildings. Dozens of nations pledged aid after the 7.8 magnitude quake, which hit as people were still sleeping, and amid freezing weather that has hampered emergency efforts. The quake, which was centered on Turkey's southeastern province of Kahramanmaraş, sent residents of Damascus and Beirut rushing into the street, and was felt as far. Monday's first earthquake struck at 4:17 a.m. at a depth of about 18 kilometers near the Turkish. Denmark's Geological Institute says, huddling around fires for warmth. The European Union